If you've ever dreamed of getting your car in a box with 47-step assembly instructions, like IKEA furniture, Sweden startup LUVLY has basically made that real. Their LUVLY O is a quirky, ultralight electric city car that looks a bit like a Citroën AMI on a diet or a supermarket toy car. But beneath the playful shell it hides features worthy of a real vehicle. The LUVLY O is a light urban vehicle, LUV is super efficient, enclosed micro EV for short city trips rather than highways. It seats 2 adults, offers a 267-liter trunk, weighs under about 400 to 450 kilograms, and measures roughly 2.7 m by 1.5 m, sitting between a quadricycle and a small hatchback. It reaches 90 kilometers per hour and delivers around 100 kilometers of real-world range from 2 removable 3.2 kilowatt-hours packs, 6 for kilowatt-hours total, with very low energy use of about 60 to 65 Wh/kilometer. What really makes it stand out is the flat pack concept. Instead of shipping complete cars, LUVLY sends them as kits, so one container can hold up to 250 units instead of about 20. Assembly happens in small regional microfactories, which cuts shipping emissions, avoids huge plants, and lets local partners adapt and service the vehicles. Safety is handled with a sandwich composite safety cell and energy absorbers inspired by race car engineering. Tuned for urban speeds as slow formula racing tech, giving much better passive safety than most microcars while staying light. With a target price around 10,000 euros, the LUVLY O ranks among the cheapest fully enclosed EVs in Europe and is aimed at car-sharing fleets, municipal and utility operators, and city dwellers who need something compact, efficient, and sustainable for dense urban environments.